Good morning you guys! So today, samahan niyo ako mag-pick ng wild blackberries. And nandito nga pala ako sa aming backyard. So as you can see, the sun is already start to come out. So ayan guys, nagkat ako ng grass kahapon. So I still have a lot of things to do in the front. But today, samahan niyo ako. So this is the view right here guys. There you go. We're going here. So ayan, mas maganda siya mag-pick ng early morning guys. So ito guys, as you can see, napakarami. So dito ako kumukuha ng mga there. So that all field over there is all wild blackberries ini. So ayan. So ayan guys, tingnan nyo, napakarami. While it's not too hot. So, ayan. Super, napakadami niya guys. So nagsuot ako ng boots. Ayan. Paganyan ko na lang. I got me some gloves too. So, ayan. So, mag-umpisa tayo dito guys. Yung iba ay overripe na. Some of them is already overripe, so ayan, nakalimutan ko maglagay. I think they were gonna go through in there. So I go back inside guys. I just get the foil and I put it in there. So ayan, tignan nyo naman, napakarami. There you go guys. Super, napakarami niya guys. But some of it is already overripe. So anyways, I'm just gonna put it in time lapse. I will just spend, you know, this morning while it's not yet hot right here. So ayan. So ayan guys. Medyo marami-rami na din akong nakuha. But I also pick more. There you go guys. Ang dami kong nakuha today. So, ayan. Napakarami. So ayan na nga guys. I'm going in and so there you go guys, pinawisan ako ng sobra and that's all I got from today. I'm going in since naligo na ako sa pawis. So bye for now. Thank you for watching. Anin pagsikapan mo. Oh, ayan. So there you go guys. Ang dami nga pala. So ayan. Basta masipag ka lang, marami kang pwedeng kainin, no? Lalo na pag nandito kayo sa countryside. So ayan na nga guys, ang dami. Kunin lang natin yung maliliit nga pala yung dito guys. So ayan. Tapos yung iba overripe na. So ayan, sabi ko papasok na ako pero nakita ko to, ayan. Nag-change yung isip ko. Ang liliit. We got a bounce. So we're ready to go in. Ganyan karami yung nakuha ko. I will just clean that. And itabi natin siya. So this is what I'm gonna, you know, use to make a cobbler para dalhin namin. O dun ko na lang siya lutuin sa bahay ni Fareno. So ayan. Bye for now guys. See you next one.